Dongguan Suli Plastic Industry Company Limited is founded in June 2012 and located in the Zhongkeng Village, Shipai Town, Dongguan City, near the beautiful and picturesque Dongguan Ecological Park. Suli Plastic Industry Company Limited has long been committed to the research and development, design, development, production and sales of plastic toys, doll toys, film and game animation toys, collecting toys, which is a production base of plastic toys. Covering an area of 5,500 square meters, factory has a large number of senior technical management personnel. Our company is equipped with a dust-free production workshop, automatic production line, injection molding workshop, fully automatic paint spraying engine room, automatic printing workshop. Quality is a lifeline of the healthy development of manufacturing industry, and Suli regards quality as life. Our core production equipment is high degree of automation and high degree of precision, which effectively guarantees the quality of products. Our company has a perfect management system, committed to providing customers with stable quality, cost-effective products. Due to our high standard of quality requirements and continuous persistence, our company has won more and more well-known brands, and customers at home and abroad recognition and trust. Our products exported to Japan and other places. Our company products are divided into OEM and ODM products. We warmly welcome business friends from all walks of life and look forward to establishing friendly and cooperative business relations with you and achieve win-win goals.